Well, Karen, you were wondering about how the snow is over here and the wind. Oh great, that cart just got stuck in the trailer park. It didn't take long. I don't know if you can see the snow blowing or not. I can barely see 2 houses away. See, there's a house back there. And one of them snowdrift. Let's go to another window. I might get called into work and have to check through this. Only because the other overnight manager works in, or lives way out in the country. Yeah, that's my window. Nice job with the snow everywhere. You can see my sidewalk there, but when we look that way, you can see my monster snowdrift. That goes up higher than my deck. Let's move on to another part of the house.
Hi, Karen. Go ahead and lower the scarf just for a few minutes because it really is cold. You mentioned the wind. They are picking up.
It's one between.
Here we're 56 in the story. Look out at 90. It's a parking lot.
See, I have a drift like that.
It's just almost impossible. Even though ODOT's been working around the clock since late last night, they anticipated the storm.
My one living room window.
They've been out there, but
you can barely see out of it. From the way the snow's blowing. A little bit I can get out. See that? That's higher than my air conditioner now.
Right here with a wind chill of 15 below. So now you're going to be switching over to the sodium chloride.
And now let's go into my kitchen. Alright. Can't really see out of that kitchen window. What about this one? Yeah, that one's getting rough too. I just have this mountain of snow. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty blowing out there now. Let's get you a shot, not through a window. See if I can get anything going through the doorway. Woo. No, pup. No, no. There we go. I had to break the snow again to open the door.